Hi friends, welcome back to Fix This House Backyard Edition. Today I'm gonna be dethatching my lawn. I'm no way sponsored by Sunjo, but I am going to try out their dethatcher. Comes in two settings. We can use the rake. I'm gonna use the rake first, see how much thatch we can take out of this, and we're gonna go move on to the scarifier next afterwards. You take that out. So if you have any questions on whether to use the rake or the scarifier, here is the chart where it shows you the depth per each one. So this one I'm going to set it to 0, or you can set it to 5 to use for raking. It's right here, raking healthy lawn. I'm only going to test the top part of my lawn. I know this lawn is 2-tier. I'm not going to do that one. I'm just going to test it out in this small spot. Just going to do a quick trim on my lawn. Let's load up the batteries. Love this lawnmower, by the way. If you guys haven't seen this video that I made on the review on this, check out that video. I'll leave it on the top right corner. Got it all trimmed up. When you're looking at my lawn, it looks like it's nice and clear. It looks like it's good. But let's look at it closely because there's some spots on this lawn. Right here, you see that green? But this lawn has been here since I moved in. Like, if you look down, there's a lot of dead grass. So that's the point of us having to dethatch this. So hopefully we get all that dead grass out of here. So I really don't like this bag. It just gets in the way and it's almost full, and I just ran it back and forth just one time and the bag is already almost full and it keeps falling off. So I'm just gonna take it off. That's just one pass using the rake, and you can already see that there's a bunch of grass that got taken out. So I'm gonna run it about 2 more times and see how much we can pull out. Then we're gonna go switch to the scarifier. See that? Some dead thatch. So I want to point this out, that this area had a lot of moss in it. You can see there's just a lot of moss, and it took out all that moss right there. So this is with the scarifier, and look how much more it pulled out. So this is the second run I'm running with the Scarifier, and it took out a lot more. So let's go over it with the mower and pick this all up. So overall, what we dethatched here is an area of 500 square foot of lawn, and let me show you how much we pulled out total. I ran this twice with the rake and twice with the Scarifier, and I think that's enough for now, but let's see how much we pulled out here. So we have about, this pile alone is 4 foot by 4, and it's as high as 2 feet. So you can kind of figure out how much thatch that came out. So overall, this is the whole pile we got out of this 500 square foot area that we did. Again, just a few tips. When you're dethatching, you can dethatch anytime, as many times as you want, but preferably you want to do this when it's not hot, like summertime, or when it's getting close to winter time. Spring, fall is the best time. I would do this once a year at least. So you're gonna say, what are the benefits of dethatching your lawn? First of all, it's great for opening up your lawn. It's pretty much taking out all that ugly stuff and suffocating your soil, allowing your grass to fully open up and spread out, because most of that dead stuff, this is what's pretty much suffocating your lawn from growing. And this is the perfect time, and this is perfect if you want to fertilize and reseed your lawn. So after this, I'm going to fertilize my lawn and reseed. It's springtime now here in Washington, so it's perfect for time to dethatch this area. I highly suggest you do this so that more water, more nutrients can get into the soil without having all this thatch blocking that and preventing that from happening. Again, what I used here is the Sun Joe. I'm not sponsored by them. I just wanted to try it out because I wanted to see how, you know, my results are, which turned out really well. And if you're interested on this product, I'll leave it in the description down below if you want to purchase it. If you found this video helpful, friends, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I have more Fix This House Outdoor Edition coming your way. So stay tuned.